Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to read vitamin D test results. First, let's understand what the test measures. Your doctor will order a 25-hydroxyvitamin D test, which is the best indicator of your body's vitamin D supply. This test helps assess your overall vitamin D status, which is vital for strong bones and a healthy immune system. The results are usually given in nanograms per milliliter, or ng/ml. Now, let's interpret those numbers. If your results are below 20 ng/ml, you're considered vitamin D deficient. Levels between 20 and 29 ng/ml indicate insufficiency, meaning you don't have enough. For most adults, an optimal range is typically between 30 and 60 ng/ml. Aiming for this range helps ensure your body has sufficient vitamin D for its many functions. Several factors can influence your vitamin D test results. Your natural vitamin D production is heavily impacted by sun exposure, especially during certain seasons. What you eat and any supplements you take also play a big role. Additionally, certain medical conditions, like liver or kidney diseases, or even some medications, can affect how your body absorbs and uses vitamin D, leading to lower levels. Once you have your results, the most important step is to discuss them with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and medical history. Your doctor might recommend appropriate supplementation, dietary adjustments, or lifestyle changes to help you reach and maintain optimal vitamin D levels. Remember, maintaining healthy levels is key for your overall well-being. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.